Yeah. Whoa. Good thing there's pillows there. Tell everybody what you just did.
With a big tower. Blanket.
Mower blankets.
We call them a tower.
And then what?
Jump in it. This one, then stay up there. Didn't work.
Oh man. Good morning, guys. Jack is jumping on the couch being crazy. Ari is napping and I am still trying to wake up even though it's 12:30. I'm very tired today. I'm not sure why, because I went to bed early. I got the vlog done and edited last night by like 10:30 and went to bed by 11:30, and I'm exhausted more so than usual.
Now it's your turn.
Ari is awake from her nap. Jack is down for his nap. And I'm just gonna throw on some makeup to make me feel more awake because I am slowly dying today. But yeah. And I'm done. I feel much better now. Much more awake, much more ready to get things done. Although I don't really have a whole lot to do today, just I gotta fold some laundry, I gotta feed this little girl, and I think maybe we'll try to go to the park again today because that was really fun yesterday. You having some water, lady? You learn how to drink from a straw? You're pretty cute. Hey guys. Ari is taking her afternoon nap way earlier than I thought she would because she slept this morning from like 11 until 1 or so, and then I nursed her at 2, and then she had some snack, and then she was fussy again at like 3, so I nursed her and she was starting to fall asleep, so I put her down and she's asleep now. And Jack just fell asleep for his nap time. We had a really good morning. I should probably be folding laundry or cleaning something, but I think today I'm gonna relax on the couch and not do anything. Alright, so it's almost 5 o'clock and both kids are still napping. I don't think we're gonna make it to the park today because by the time they get up and we got ready to go to the park, and by the time we got out the door it'd be dinner time, so we'll probably just play in the backyard instead of going all the way to the park, so that Jack can play out there and I can kind of prep dinner and get it started before Chad gets home so we don't eat late, because I hate when we eat super late, because then I feel like Jack has to eat by himself and then Chad and I eat like way later, so I like to have dinner at least started before Chad gets home. Maybe I can get Jack to practice riding his bike that he got for his birthday. He hasn't ridden it at all since his birthday because he's too scared. But think he just needs to get on it a few more times and realize that he can do it. It's got training wheels, so it's not like he's gonna fall over or anything. Hi. Boop. Good morning, Jackson. Can you say good morning to everybody? He's still tired? What about poop? Or fart? Or butt? Booty, booty, booty. Booty, booty, booty. Where you at?
Hi. Hi.
We ate our pizza, and now Chad is going to mow the lawn, and these boys are gonna watch out the window. Whoa, girl! Whoa, girl! You trying to crawl? You're gonna smack your face on that wall. Probably move you. And no, we did not make it to the park today because Jack didn't wake up until like 5:30, so. This is what's behind the camera right now. These crazy boy snuggling me while we film his sister. I'm sorry. Well, it's just us girls inside. Me and Ari are inside now. The boys are outside on the lawnmower, mowing the lawn. They look so cute. Jack is so excited to be on the mower with Chad. Ari is having a tiny little snack after our living room is trashed. Oh, there's the mower. She's gonna go to bed here in about half an hour or so. And I don't need to do the dishes because we had pizza for dinner. So, I don't know. I'd like to go to Target just to walk around and have some me time at Target. I don't know if any of you other moms do that, but I probably won't because I don't need anything, and if I go to Target when I don't need anything, I end up getting like 600 things that we really don't need. So, I don't know. But we'll see where the night takes us. We got some jammies on. Jammies. Even though it's hot during the day here now, I still like her to wear long sleeve and pants to bed most nights because one, I don't like her to sleep with a blanket, and two, we have our fan on as high as it will go in our room because the noise helps me sleep. So I don't want her to get cold. And yeah. Say goodnight, vlog.
Good night, vlog.
Good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.